this is the two-part epoxy. You just cut off a slice as much as you need, and then mix it together until it's all mixed and it's all one color. And it should look like that. Now you push it into the gap. It's okay if there's a wee bit extra, we'll clean that up in a minute. You want to keep it as small as possible and not make the problem area bigger. So carefully take off the extra. Just like that. And now we need to wait for it to dry. Okay, so after half an hour, you take a 180 grit sandpaper and we'll gently sand it just to take off any extra and to smooth it, and so the stain can stick to it. Take your stain, you want to shake it up. Carefully keeping it again as small of an area as possible. Do your touch up. You want to spread it around a bit gently. Just want to let it soak in for a minute or a second. Clean up any extra around the area. It also helps to blend it in. So now we're going to wait for that to dry and then do a clear coat. So after half an hour we apply the clear coat. It just looks like this, clear. And we'll just brush it on. Generally, it's better to do several light coats, so we'll just do one for right now, and that's good.